Umabot ka diti na dumaduma sector to ripple effect ti tensyon ni Middle East. Imununan nga inagal di public utility vehicle drivers tinangina a presyo ti petrolyo. Itang madani meten ti Holy Week, ano sa din nga ibilang ti ILOCOS Norte Tourism Office nga strongest week of the tourism calendar. Sagsaganaan meten ti tourism sector ti posible a negatibong epekto na ti agdama problema. Kastulong kadagiti maseknan, ipaay ti gobierno probinsial babaen ti ILOCOS Norte Tourism Office ti libre a one-way lawag Manila ken Manila lawag bus trips.
This is a form of subsidy. So we're subsidizing travel to Ilocos for our own residents who are working or residing in Manila, who would like to come back for a holiday, and also for tourists. So we have limited slots so far. We're starting with 2 buses per day. 6 buses during the Holy Week, 3 for the incoming route from Manila to Lawag, and then 3 buses going back to Manila.
Aminado ti tourism officer adakkel panubok ti turismo saan laeng aditoy probinsya ngem ket di ti intero pagilyan ti awagan na a man-made a problema. Ngem impasigurado na nga ikabeelan ti gobyerno probinsyal ti panangadal kaditi na dumaduma awagas tapno nagtultuloy ti suporta a maipaay ti tourism sector. May sapay kaditi maisagsagana ket ti panakaipaay ti free kalesa ride into New Holy Week.
May sapay nga i-work out tayo is our partnership with the city government of Lawag. We have for the Holy Week free kalesa rides around the city where they can also experience and go through the stations of the cross with the kalesas. So the kalesas, I believe, will be subsidized by the city government, of course, through the office of Mayor Alcid. No?
Manamnama matuloy amin digiti na isaganang aktibidad ita a summer season kang runaan na ta makatulong pay digitoy amang TED ti livelihood opportunities kaditi umili. Kabayatan na inrakurak met ti gobyerno lokal ti pagudpod nga itibaet ang umingina ti presyo ti petrolyo agtalinaed as same rate digiti accommodation, restaurant, tours, ken kubo rentals.
It's difficult to not increase prices when everything else, when your supply chain is increasing in cost. You know, it's difficult, and we really appreciate that. We encourage it that we keep our prices at the minimum, as close to the original cost prior to the oil crisis as possible.
Mark Magdirila, Balitang Solid North.